All right, let's see how those went for you. So we've got 8 and 3/4 plus 11 and 5/8. So let's, I like again to stack those fractions up. 8 and 3/4 plus 11 and 5/8. 8's my larger number. First multiple of 8 is 8, so I'm going to change this to eighths. I had to multiply by 2, so that became 6. And then we're adding 11 and 5/8. 6 plus 5 is 11 eighths. 11 and 8 is 19. 11 eighths can change into 1 and 3/8. So we're going to take 19 and add the 1 and 3/8, and so our final answer should be 20 and 3/8. Hope you got that one right. Let's look at the next one, 5/9 plus 6 2/3. So I'm going to put a 0 here just to remind myself that there's no whole number there. 6 2/3 there. We're adding. Common denominator, 9's the larger number. First multiple of 9 is 9. 3 does divide into 9, so that 5/9 doesn't change at all. Going to change thirds into ninths. 3 times 3 is 9, so 2 times 3 is 6. 6/9. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11/9. And 0 plus 6 is 6. Going to take our 11/9 and change that 11/9 into 1 and 2/9. 9 divides into 11 once with 2 left over. And 6 plus 1 and 2/9 is 7 and 2/9 is my final answer there. All right, let's look at the subtraction then. So again, this is our steps are listed up here for us. 1, we're going to find our common denominator. 2, we're going to rename the first number by borrowing one whole and adding the number in the denominator to the numerator. Then we'll subtract the numerators and keep the same denominator. Then we'll subtract the whole numbers, and then we'll simplify anything that needs to be simplified. So let's look at an example here. So my first one is 14 and 1/4, and I want to subtract 1 and 5/9. Listing the multiples of 9 until I find one that 4 also divides into, and I know that I'm going to have to go up to 36 for that to work. So 14, this will be 36 times 9 times 9, so that's 9/36 minus 1, this will be 36 times 4 times 4, so that's 20. So we have a situation here where we can't subtract 20 from 9, so we borrow from our whole number, making that 13. We add the 36 to the 9, so 36 and 10 would be 46, so 36 and 9 would be 45. Now we're ready to subtract. 45 minus 20 is 25 over 36. 13 minus 1 is 12. Check to see if I can reduce 25 over 36, and I don't think that I can. And so my answer is 12 and 25/36. All right, you try the next two. I'm going to stop this video, and after you're done with these two, then tune into the next video to see how you did.